Yo, hey guys. So I'm here now to show you how to install the Home Assistant Eldom integration into your Home Assistant. And essentially I'm just gonna follow the steps that I've mentioned here below in the installation section. And most importantly, we just need to ensure that we have Hacks installed first. So Hacks is the recommended approach because Hacks is like this app inside of Home Assistant that takes care of integrations. You can add new integrations via Hacks, you can update them, you can remove them. So it's like a manager for custom integrations that are created from people like me, from the open source community. So that's a pretty cool kind of feature that you have in Home Assistant. So I would definitely recommend Hacks. So let's go with that. So before we do anything else, again, we just need to ensure that we have Hacks installed. So in my installation, I already do. But if you haven't installed Hacks already, you can just follow this video here that I linked in the README. It's pretty cool, so it should give you a good idea of how to install Hacks. So once we have Hacks installed, we can open it. Let's do that. Okay, we've already done that. And from here, if we search for Eldom, we won't get any results because Hacks doesn't recognize our custom repository yet, because I've opened the PR to correct that. But in the future, essentially, we're gonna be able to just type Eldom and see the integration. But for now, that's not possible. So the thing we want to do now, to continue to custom repositories from the three dots over here. And then once we do that, we just need to put the URL in the repository field and then select integration in the category dropdown. Okay, cool. So essentially, once we click on the three dots and then the custom repositories, we just need to add the repository URL, which is gonna be this thing. So we can put that here, then we can select integration and we can click on add. Cool. So we see it's added here as an entity. So now if we search for Eldom, yeah, we should be able to see it. Here it is. And then we just need to click download and that's all. Need a different version? No, I don't. Just install the default. 3.2.2 seems to be the latest one, so we'll just go with that. And did we have anything else that we need to do? Hacks after installation, you need to restart Home Assistant. Cool, okay. So I think that's it, mostly. We just now need to restart Home Assistant because, yeah, the integration needs to bootstrap. Let's restart the instance now. Cool, we're back online. So once we've restarted Home Assistant, we need to go to Devices and Services. And then we can add an Eldom device. And the thing we need to do here is we just need to enter an email and a password. And once we do that, we should be able to see our devices. In my case, let me add this. Just a heads up, sometimes when devices are loading, it could take a couple of minutes to download all the metadata from Eldom's APIs. Just a heads up, if you don't see any entities here, that's fine. Okay, cool. So we see a flat boiler here and we also see a smart boiler. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Good luck.